Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to set current date or time respectively using Microsoft Excel. So there are shortcuts how to do it. So I'll just open here and another sheet tab. So to set a current date you need to press Control and this semicolon. Then to set current time you need to Control, Shift and this. So that means actually upon setting you just have to click or type them on a keyboard. These will be like static date and time. So for my case here I just press Control and this one. Then I can just add comma and the current date. I can just put current time. I can Control Shift and this one. So this is for the static. You see, for static time. This is for static time. So if you want, actually, it updates automatically. So for the time, you just say, for instance, for dynamic time. Here, you just have to use this function in Excel. So for time, it is equals now. Here, and close the bracket, enter. So this is the time. And for the date, dynamic date, which changes accordingly. That means you need to set a function which is equal sign today, returns the current date as formatted date. Okay, then close the bracket. So that's it. So this is the way of setting static and dynamic date and time. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.